for we are to God the fragrance of Christ. 2 Corinthians 2 verse 15.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Tokwe and this is Top Notes by Tokwe. If today is the first time you see my face, I'm a fragrance reviewer from Lagos, Nigeria. And if you love fragrance content, that's what we do on this channel, and I would love you to subscribe. To my returning subscribers, welcome back guys, and also returning viewers. Welcome, and you returning viewers, do try to subscribe. So today in the video, I have a review for you of Lattafa Ameer al Oudh. It's set on Fragrance Guide to be a 2021 Lattafa, and I would love to review with you. So if you want to know my thoughts on that scent, without much ado, let's get into the video. Welcome back guys. Thank you for watching this video. I want to give a quick disclaimer. I just started, set up, did my makeup to film, and I think my neighbor is fixing something up her roof. So there's a thudding sound of like construction work. Please, if you can hear this, bear with me because I really don't want to stop filming. She's been doing this whole week and it's been preventing me from filming, but I guess I'll just quickly go into this. So this is what the fragrance looks like. This is the box. It's white, so I know that it's going to be a bit washed off. It has the name Ameer al Oudh. It's a black and white box with Lattafa there. The hologram was like the sticker on it. Usually the hologram is on the box. So this is how the bottle looks like. It's a solid bottle with black and gold inscription in Arabic, and they've written Ameer al Oudh. If you're watching me and you speak Arabic, I would love you to translate what Ameer al Oudh means. This says intense oud version. This is how it looks like. It's a solid, beautiful bottle. For notes, this fragrance has oud, alga wood, and then it has woodsy notes. And then at the middle, it has vanilla, it has alga wood again. And then at the bottom, it has sandalwood, and then it also has some herbal notes. And notes that honestly at the first spray of this, it's sugary, but then it's sugary with some leather nuances. I know that somebody mentioned that it looks as though there's some labdanum in it. If that is true, it means that then that's what is giving me that leather vibe, because sometimes labdanum has that leather nuance it gives. This fragrance is said to be a clone of Maison Margiela replicas, the popular one by the fireplace, and also Perfume de Marly's Herald. But the truth is that I haven't put my nose on PDM's Herald or replicas fireplace. So I'm going to talk about this fragrance on its own as a fragrance. So it starts off very sugary with some leather nuance. Then the oud comes in. The oud, I think they call this intense oud because of the oud that comes in twice, because oud is two times in it, so it's intense. There's two oud at the top note and in the middle note. And then the fragrance becomes boozy. It starts off with the sugar, and then that leather nuance comes in. It becomes a bit boozy after some time, but honestly it's very sweet, but the sweetness lasts at about 45 to an hour. If you're patient enough, you hold off the sweetness. It gets very sweet, I need to be honest, but I know that the temptation will be that the first time you spritz this on and it's so sweet, you like, you know what, I'm not dealing with this. But please give it a chance to blossom. And then it goes into the second part, and then it begins to smell, you know, woody, and I think slightly spicy. There's some smokiness at the woody, and there's some spice to it. Beautiful. It begins to develop to the middle. For me, the best part of this fragrance is the dry down. It dries down into something that is like a smoky nut milk, and I think it's from the middle part with the vanilla, and also I think the creaminess, the nutty and milky thing that I smell is the sandalwood. It gives it this nuttiness of like some nut milk kind of a thing, that it's mixed with vanilla, like a creaminess to it like that. And it is so beautiful. It is so sweet. It is warm, smoky, spicy, boozy, and it is very sexy. I feel like it develops very well, and also it is long lasting. This fragrance has a huge projection. It projects a lot. It projects, and then it fills the room. It really does fill the room, because there was a day when my husband spritzed it, and when I just was about to enter them, I was like, wow, this, you smell so good. The top was very, very, very sweet. I almost confused it with Aquilina's pink sugar, but when I got closer, so the point where he sprayed it, it was the sugarness that I was smelling, and because of the smoky and the woody notes, it bear a bit of resemblance to pink sugar. I just got my hands on pink sugar, so it had that thing like burnt caramel thing going on for it. But if you're able to go through the first, like the initial part of the scent, it becomes sweet, it becomes smoky, it becomes so beautiful. Like, it's very beautiful. And then it just, the dry down, like I said, it's a creamy, it's a smoky, boozy, sweet, kind of like lactonic, but not milk. It's a nut milk that's given that lactonic nature to it. So like a smoky, creamy nut milk thing going on that is so nice, sexy. I would say that if you live in the temperate regions, this is definitely going to be a fall and winter scent. But if you live in the tropics like I do, it's almost an everyday scent. But on the daytime, I think you should go very light on the number of sprays, and on the nighttime, you could be a bit heavy on it. I am an overspray. I do an average of 10 to 12, sometimes 15 if I want to be extra sprays, and it lasts me anywhere between 8 to 9 hours on my clothes, and another good 2 to 3 hours on my skin. And it leaves, when it becomes a skin scent, it leaves a beautiful cloud that is comforting, that is very nice. Honestly, I think you should just run out, find this and buy it if you're one that loves what I have described. This scent bears a resemblance to a niche scent that I just recently acquired. I'm going to work them out side by side and do a review, a comparison of both if I later realize they are the same. But this is my take, this is my opinion on Ameer al Oudh, which is Lattafa's scent. I think it's a 2021 release according to Fragrantica, and honestly, this is a good buy. I have recommended it for 2 people, and all of them came back and they were like, God, this is a great scent. It's a banger. It makes me very happy. Look, I've had this for, I think Thursday made it 1 week. It's just 1 week, and you can see how I've gone on it. So it should tell, the whole of last week I was wearing this, I think I wore this 3 times last week. That should tell you how much I love it and how low I've got it. I'm very tempted to get a backup, but I'm not sure I should. So let me know if I should get a backup or not. But this is a very great scent. I don't know, like Lattafa, if you're watching, keep doing what you're doing, because this is a great scent, and I really enjoyed it. So if you enjoyed this video to this point and you got some value from it, please give a thumbs up. If you're also not subscribed at this point, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. But if you didn't enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs down and comment in the comment section. Tell me why you didn't enjoy the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll definitely see you in my next video. As always, stay safe, stay centered.